Go ahead, Laura.
We have one there after coming through from the community. What are the differences between Dragonfly and Valkey, and when should you use Dragonfly over Valkey and vice versa?
Okay. So that's a good question. So basically, as I said, Dragonfly is a drop-in replacement for Redis with the same API, but it's also a drop-in replacement for Valkey, because Valkey is basically a fork of Redis 7.24. Currently, they have the same API, same everything. So you should use Dragonfly instead of a Redis or instead of a Valkey. You also asked when should you use Dragonfly versus when should you use Valkey. Basically, Dragonfly, you can use Dragonfly on all use cases versus Valkey or Redis, but Dragonfly was designed for the heavier workloads, okay? So workloads with more than a few tens of gigabytes or a few tens of thousands of queries or operations per second.